The Upanishads, in two parts. Part 1, translated by F.X. Muller, Khandogya Upanishad, 3rd Prapataka, 15th Khanda. The chest, which has a sky for its circumference and earth for its bottom, does not decay, for the quarters are its sides, and heaven its lid above. That chest is a treasury, and all things are within it. Its eastern quarter is called Guhu, its southern Sahamana, its western Ragni, its northern Subhuta. The child of those quarters is Vayu, the air, and he who knows that the air is indeed the child of the quarters never weeps for his sons. I know the wind to be the child of the quarters. May I never weep for my sons. I turn to the imperishable chest with such and such and such. I turn to the prana, life, with such and such and such. I turn to Bu with such and such and such. I turn to Uva with such and such and such. I turn to Sava with such and such and such. When I said I turn to prana, then prana means all whatever exists here. To that I turn. When I said I turn to Bu, what I said is I turn to the earth, the sky, and heaven. When I said I turn to Bhuva, what I said is I turn to Agni, fire, Vayu, air, Aditya, sun. When I said I turn to Sava, what I said is I turn to the Rigveda, Yajurveda, and Samaveda. That is what I said, yea, that is what I said. The object of this section, the Kosa Vijnana, is to show how the promise is made in 3:13:6 that a strong son should be born in a man's family is to be fulfilled. These names are explained by the commentator as follows. Because people offer libations, Guflati, turning to the east, therefore it is called Guhu. Because evildoers suffer, Sahanta, in the town of Yama, which is in the south, therefore it is called Sahamana. The western quarter is called Ragni, either because it is sacred to King Varuna, Ragan, or on account of the red color, Raga, of the twilight. The north is called Subhuta because of wealthy beings, Bhutimat, like Kuvera, and so on, reside there. Here are the names of the sons to be pronounced as listed there, and again, it's don't worry about the external in that way because it's a means of something that's going on in another way.